We begin this super fun and super easy Halloween craft with a pasta sauce jar. The jar has been washed and it's ready for decorating. You will need a string of fairy lights or an LED candle. Just pushing my fairy lights into the jar. I want the control for the lights to be right over the edge of the jar, so I'm just going to bend the wire so it just kind of hangs right there so it's easy to turn on and off. And here you go. Next, you will need a mop head, and you can get these very inexpensively at the Dollar Tree. This is going to be just perfect for our cousin It. All you have to do is place the mop head right inside the jar. I am just pushing it down till I feel it's tight inside the jar. Now to fix his hair, I feel like I am his hairstylist. We've got to get it just right. Look what we have so far. And we need a bowler hat, and I got these crafting bowler hats off of Amazon. Looking good. Next, we need a pair of sunglasses. I got these from the Dollar Tree. I guess I better remove the tag. They sit on his face perfectly. To ensure that the bowler's hat and the glasses stay on Cousin It, I will be using a little bit of E6000. Now to put a little E6000 on the sides of the glasses. And is this not the It Halloween decor? I love him. He is so much fun. It will put a smile on everyone's face that sees him. Fill your house with Cousin It's.